Hello, I'm Kelly Hicks. I'm the original Wildfire Wildman. This auction is for one WFK49cc scooter. As you can see, I got plenty of them, but the auction is for one of them. And as a matter of fact, if you want to, you can take your pick of any of the scooters. The windshields are 50 bucks extra, and the trunks are 50 bucks extra. So this auction is for one with no windshield and no trunk. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about it, drive it around, toot the horn, and that's going to be about it. Okay, let's show them a little bit about this. It's a two-seater. It's got foot pegs for the passenger. It's got a little glove box up front here to store your wallet or a small purse. It's a four-stroke scooter. That means it's like a car. You just add gas. Comes with the driver's manual, little toolkit. Here's where you put the gas in. It is a two-seater because it's got foot pegs. What else can I say about it? It's a 2008 model. It's got electric start. Or if you happen to run your battery dead, you can kick start it. Just flip it's got to be on the main stand. Usually starts with one kick. Oh well. Well, that's going to be it. Let me see the camera a second. Like I said, your auction is for one WF50. It's a 49cc scooter. Customer pickup only. Listen when I say that. Pickup only. We will not deliver these. They come with the full warranty. We're a Wildfire dealer. That's a Wildfire 650 motorcycle. That's a Wildfire total electric vehicle. We got plenty of these scooters. There's some more in the they're out of the crates, not quite ready to sell. But this is the Wildfire Wildman's garage. Make sure you look at my other auctions. I'm going to do no reserve on the little blue Yamaha. I'm going to do no reserve on the powered bicycle. Thank you for your interest in my auctions. There's the one up for auction.